I'm a social anthropologist from Buenos Aires.
And I'm professor at Sant'Anna Institute in Sorrento.
And I will be with you for the next hour to talk and reflect about language and communication.
My name is Surakit Natiswan.
My name is Marisol Flores. I'm a registered pharmacist and a college professor.
Hi, my name is David Jackson. I'm the CIS Abroad Country Director for Thailand. Thai culture is very hierarchical.
Are going to reflect about the gender messages and compare within the history and between Argentina and the US.
Soy chueca y que me muevo con un aire con parón.
Receiving and interpreting a lot of messages regarding national identity, regarding national culture.
Vamos a hacer la torta más rica y más argentina. Se llaman chocotorta.
What do we need for the chocotorta? Una espátula. Esto es una espátula. Ahí está. La tradicional chocotorta.
Él, nosotros, ustedes, ellos. And this is a mate, mi mate.
Es una licuadora. Las velas son un re detalle de un hogar.
Parrilla. La parrilla es muy argentina. I hope all of my tips are useful for you.